to all patriots and countrymen on the occasion of 78th Independence Day from Jai Bharat Mata Seva Samiti, New Delhi. On the auspicious occasion of 78th Independence Day, Jai Bharat Mata Seva Samiti requests you that all patriots and countrymen celebrate Independence Day with great enthusiasm. Jai Bharat Mata Seva Samiti National Founding President, His Holiness Sri Hawa Mallinath Maharaj, a true patriot and a man who works day and night for the service of Mother India, has given a divine message to all the countrymen on the auspicious occasion of 78th Independence Day. It has not been long since our country India got independence, it has been 78 years. Our country did not get independence easily, we got independence through the sacrifices of many brave martyrs and freedom fighters. Now we do not need to sacrifice or make sacrifices for freedom. But all we have to follow is the Constitution, equality among all religions and the laws of nature. Today we are able to live independently and safely. If you sell your valuable votes to bad people in the name of caste, religion, and with the lure of financial gain, your country will not exist, you will not exist, and your family will not exist either. Think about this. After we got independence, our and your forefathers used to celebrate Independence Day as a bigger festival than Dussehra, Diwali, Shivratri, Gudi Padwa. Earlier Independence Day was celebrated with enthusiasm in the whole village. In this, all the villagers used to clean the roads in the village and in front of their houses, draw rangolis, decorate flagpoles and garlands and hoist the flag. After that, everyone would feed each other sweets and celebrate Independence Day with joy and enthusiasm. But the current generation is forgetting all this. Just because of a small selfishness, we get into a situation where we have to distance ourselves from someone. If you have the heart and desire to serve the countrymen of India, serve them selflessly, but never serve them selfishly. Nowadays, some people are celebrating their birthdays by cutting soft cakes. Before doing all this, think for a moment that there are many people in our India who do not have hands, legs or eyes, some do not even get a single meal. Do something for them on your birthday by donating food, donating blood or serving the poor. Help others by giving a little of what God has given you. If you cannot do this, then take good care of your parents. Treat them with respect and dignity. Never send your parents to an old age home. Never fight with them. Don't roam around like madmen on the streets after consuming alcohol, gutkha, matka. Save yourself and save your future generations too. Talk to your friends respectfully and politely, maintain a good relationship with them from the heart and celebrate your birthday in this way by behaving well with everyone. Others should celebrate your birthday, you should celebrate others' birthdays, it doesn't seem right to celebrate your own birthday. It has been 78 years since India got independence. Celebrating the country's independence means celebrating the country's birthday. Doing all this is like celebrating the birthday of every person in the country. Special note, national sports are our sports, namely wrestling, kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball, gilli dandu, thappe thuppi. In recent times, some youths are losing their lives due to addictions like cricket betting, while others are leaving their villages. In cricket, 20-20, 50-50, 100-100, such types have come recently. Such games are not for our countrymen. Know all this and wake up now. In 1947, we got freedom due to many movements and sacrifices of freedom fighters. Now, in 2047, there is a possibility of such a movement again. Everyone should understand that this is like a 100-100 cricket match. For the benefit of the country, beware of caste, religion, selfish politicians. You should save your country, save your family. Treat your fellow countrymen with love and affection. Also, leave caste and religion and live together. All of you should live and let your next generation live too. These are the auspicious messages from Jai Bharat Mata Seva Samiti to all the countrymen on the auspicious occasion of the 74th Independence Day celebration by the National Founder President of Jai Bharat Mata Seva Samiti, Pujya Sri Hawa Mallinath Maharaj. Thank you all. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Jai Bharat Mata Seva Samiti, New Delhi.